I painted this azalea yesterday morning, but I added something that wasn't even there. This shadow, I invented it, and it changes everything. Start with one big, loose shape and don't paint every flower. A few dark branches underneath, just enough. The yellow wall, one flat wash, and then just let it dry. Then I dropped in a cool purple shadow. Warm light needs a cool shadow. Put the grass in about 20 seconds. I came upon a azalea bush that was stunning today on High Street. I stopped, I painted it, and I want to show it to you. I have my approach has been to not paint every single flower, if you will, but to keep the big shapes and keep them soft. I'll show you here what I have done. I'm fairly happy with it. You may recognize the scene. It's along High Street. It's the Edward Rawson house. I have kept the azaleas fairly bright and surrounded them with some darks. And I created some shadows. I actually lied a little bit, but I think it works in terms of movement, in terms of bringing the eye in terms of focusing on the beautiful azalea, which is what needs the focus. I hope you like it. Thanks so much.